Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In my last video I shared with you how to make mini cakes. We made vanilla flavor, sponge and Biscoff sponge, and today we're gonna be decorating these two cakes, these two flavors. So to start that, the first thing we're gonna be making is the homemade raspberry jam. You can make strawberry jam too, or you can buy it from the store, but I do prefer to make my own raspberry jam, to fill my cakes and cupcakes. This is made with the 3 ingredients. I'm gonna be leaving the list of the ingredients on the description box for you. This jam is made with only with 3 ingredients. We cook it at a medium heating for about 18 minutes. I like to drain it because I don't like to feel the seeds on my cakes or desserts, but it's optional. After that, I like to let it cool down at home temperature. After I made the buttercream, vanilla buttercream recipe, very easy. My buttercream recipe is the same recipe that I've been making for the past 6 years. When I start to bake, I start to make the recipes that come in a package of the ice sugar. It's very simple. I'm gonna leave the quantities as well in the description box. It's not any secret to make buttercream. It's just you only have to mix your butter. Have to be at home temperature, or you can take it to the microwave for a few seconds. And you have to mix it between 5 to 10 minutes at least, and add icing sugar, mix, add vanilla extract. And my buttercream, I add milk at home temperature. And that's it, simple. After making the buttercream, I started to decorate my cake. Normally I use a spatula to mix it, and the consistency of my buttercream is all depend of what I need the buttercream for. If I need it to make it to fill the cake, or if I need it to decorate the cake. Simple. After I transfer the buttercream to the pinpin bag, I'm using the 2D to decorate this cake because I do like this one, but you can use any that you have or that you like. To this vanilla flavor, I'm gonna use the raspberry jam that we just made, but you can use as well vanilla jam. It's very important that you allow your cake to cool down completely before you add any decoration or filling. I made this cake on the day before, and I decorate it on the next day in the morning. After adding the buttercream, I add as well some sprinkles to these cakes. As I mentioned in my last video, I have an ebook with 7 cake recipe that I sell the most. You can use for cupcakes, for mini cakes, for birthday cakes. They are very nice and simple step-by-step tutorial in that ebook. If you want to check that, the link is gonna be on a description box. To make the Biscoff flavor, you just need to remove about 300 grams of your buttercream, and add about a tablespoon of Biscoff spread. I take the Biscoff spread to the microwave at a medium heating just to melt, not to get hot. And we add to our buttercream, we mix it very well, and that's it. We have Biscoff buttercream flavor. Just like to keep it very simple. Nothing too complicated, and so we can just start making a cake and sell, okay, for our neighbors, for Etsy, okay, because these mini cakes, they are not too heavy. You can even send them and sell and send by post as well, okay. Very simple to make because they don't make too much mess. You don't have to wash things or clean up a lot, you know. Very good idea for small business. To decorate these mini cakes, I took again some Biscoff spread to the microwave. I melt it for a few seconds and I decorate top of my cakes, and as well some Biscoff biscuit as well, okay, just to give it a look more delicious, okay. As you can see, these mini cakes are very simple to make. Even if you never baked before, you're gonna be able to make these mini cakes, okay. I've been doing this for the past 6 years, okay. If you are new here in my channel, I share recipes for bakers, for someone that just want to start to bake. I do have a online class for bento cakes as well, okay, and you can find all this information on the description box, okay. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.